Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Daily. I'm Emma, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. Today is day 8 of our 30-day English shadowing challenge. Each day, we focus on one essential real-life situation, and this time, it's all about feeling confident with food and ordering. Picture this. You walk into a restaurant, the waiter approaches with a warm smile, and suddenly your mind goes completely blank. You know you're hungry. You know what you want, but the words just won't come out. So you end up pointing at the menu like you're playing charades. Or worse, you order the same basic thing every single time because it's the only phrase you remember. Sound familiar? Comment below if you've ever frozen up while ordering. Maybe you've been in a drive-thru and they ask for here or to go, and you freeze because you practiced "I want a burger," but not the follow-up questions. Or you're at a nice restaurant with friends. Everyone's ordering confidently, and you're sitting there hoping someone will order for you. The embarrassment, the frustration, the feeling of being invisible when you should be enjoying your meal. Today, that changes forever. This is going to be epic. Day 8 is all about food confidence because eating is universal and you deserve to express exactly what you want, how you want it. Here's what we're doing today. We'll start with 40 golden sentences. That will cover every single food situation you'll ever encounter, from fast food to fancy restaurants, from coffee shops to food delivery apps. But here's the exciting part. By the end of this complete lesson, through our dialogue practice and real conversations, you'll have mastered 100 essential phrases for ordering food. That's right, 100 phrases that will make you sound completely natural and confident in any restaurant situation. Are you ready to never point at a menu again? Let's transform your food ordering game right now. Here are your 40 golden sentences for food ordering. I'll say each one 3 times. Natural speed, slow speed, then natural speed again. You repeat after each one. Arriving and getting seated. Hi, table for 2, please. Hi, table for 2, please. Hi, table for 2, please. Do you have any tables available? Do you have any tables available? Do you have any tables available? We don't have a reservation. We don't have a reservation. We don't have a reservation. Could we sit by the window? Could we sit by the window? Could we sit by the window? How long is the wait? How long is the wait? How long is the wait? We'd like a booth, please. We'd like a booth, please. We'd like a booth, please. Is there outdoor seating? Is there outdoor seating? Is there outdoor seating? A table near the back, please. A table near the back, please. A table near the back, please. Menu questions. What do you recommend? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? What's the most popular dish? What's the most popular dish? What's the most popular dish? What comes with this dish? What comes with this dish? What comes with this dish? How big is the portion? How big is the portion? How big is the portion? Is this dish spicy? Is this dish spicy? Is this dish spicy? Does this have nuts in it? Does this have nuts in it? Does this have nuts in it? Can I see the wine list? Can I see the wine list? Can I see the wine list? Do you have any vegetarian options? Do you have any vegetarian options? Do you have any vegetarian options? Making orders. I'll have the chicken pasta. I'll have the chicken pasta. I'll have the chicken pasta. Can I get the salmon, please? Can I get the salmon, please? Can I get the salmon, please? I'd like to order the steak. I'd like to order the steak. I'd like to order the steak. We'll share the appetizer. We'll share the appetizer. We'll share the appetizer. I'll start with the soup. I'll start with the soup. I'll start with the soup. For my main course, I'll have. For my main course, I'll have. For my main course, I'll have. Could I get that medium rare? Could I get that medium rare? Could I get that medium rare? Can I substitute the fries? Can I substitute the fries? Can I substitute the fries? I'd like the dressing on the side. I'd like the dressing on the side. I'd like the dressing on the side. No onions, please. No onions, please. No onions, please. Extra cheese, please. Extra cheese, please. Extra cheese, please. Can I get that to go? Can I get that to go? Can I get that to go? I'll have a Coke, please. Oh, have a Coke, please. I'll have a Coke, please. Just water for me. Just water for me. Just water for me. Can I get a refill? Can I get a refill? Can I get a refill? I'll have the coffee. I'll has the coffee. I'll have the coffee. What kind of tea do you have? What kind of tea do you have? What kind of tea do you have? I'll try the house wine. I'll try the house wine. I'll try the house wine. Payment and ending. Can I get the check, please? Can I get the check, please? Can I get the check, please? We'll pay together. We'll pay together. We'll pay together. Separate checks, please. Separate checks, please. Separate checks, please. Can I pay with card? Can I pay with card? Can I pay with card? The food was delicious. The food was delicious. The food was delicious. Thank you for everything. Thank you for everything. Thank you for everything. Perfect. Now let's put these golden sentences into action. I have my friend Mark here to help us today. Mark will be our customer, and I'll be the server. Shadow along with us. Speak both the customer and server lines out loud.
Hey everyone, that's right. I'll be ordering just like you would in real life. Watch how I use those golden sentences naturally. And don't worry about being perfect. Just have fun with it.
Scenario 1. Casual restaurant. Mark orders lunch. Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunset Cafe. How many in your party today?
Hi, table for one, please.
Of course. Right this way. Here's your menu. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Can I see the menu first? What do you recommend?
Our chicken sandwich is really popular, and the Caesar salad is fresh today. What kind of flavors do you usually enjoy?
I'll have the chicken sandwich. What comes with this dish?
It comes with fries and a pickle. Would you like to substitute anything?
Can I substitute the fries? Maybe get a side salad instead?
Absolutely. And how would you like that chicken cooked?
Medium, please, and I'll have a Coke to drink.
Perfect. Medium chicken sandwich with side salad and a Coke. Anything else?
No onions, please, and can I get the dressing on the side?
No problem at all. I'll get that order in for you.
Thank you so much.
See how natural that felt? You're using real sentences in real situations. Scenario 2. Fast food drive-thru. Quick order. Welcome to Burger Palace. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'll have the number 2 combo, please.
What size would you like that?
Large, please.
What to drink with that?
I'll have a Coke, please.
For here or to go?
Can I get that to go?
Sure. Anything else?
Extra cheese, please. How much is that?
That'll be 50 cents extra. Your total is $12.50. Please drive up to the next window.
Thank you.
Perfect. You just mastered the fast-paced drive-thru environment. Notice how you stayed calm, answered each question clearly, and even asked about pricing. That's real confidence in action. And because we're living in 2025, let's practice ordering delivery too. Scenario 3. Food delivery order.
Hello, this is Tony's Pizza. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to place a delivery order, please.
Sure. What's your address?
It's 123 Main Street, apartment 4B.
Great. What can I get for you today?
I'll have a large pepperoni pizza, please. How long will that take?
About 30 minutes. Anything else?
Can I add extra cheese? And I'll pay with card.
Perfect. Your total is $18.50. I'll need to take your card information for payment.
Sure, what do you need?
Can I get your card number, expiration date, and the security code on the back?
It's 5432 1234 5678 9012. Expires 12/26 and the security code is 123.
Great. And can I get the name on the card?
Emma Johnson.
Perfect. Your payment went through. Your order will be delivered in 30 minutes.
Thank you so much. Perfect. Phone ordering is one of the trickiest situations since you can't see the person, but you handled it with complete confidence. That's real progress. Now it's time for your real-world challenge. Your mission? Choose your level. Beginner level. Practice 10 phrases while making breakfast. Use 3 sentences when ordering coffee today. Comment, "I'm ready," below. Intermediate level. Order lunch using 5 golden sentences. Ask 1 question about the menu. Record yourself ordering. Voice memo. Comment, "Level up," below. Advanced level. Go to a new restaurant you've never tried. Use 10 plus sentences from today's lesson. Engage in small talk with the server. Comment, "Food confidence unlocked," below. Remember, every restaurant interaction is practice. Every order is an opportunity to build confidence. Every meal is a chance to use your English naturally. You're not just learning phrases, you're building the confidence to enjoy dining experiences fully, to connect with people, to explore new foods without fear. By day 30, you'll be that person who walks into any restaurant with complete confidence, orders exactly what you want, and enjoys every moment of the experience. The transformation is happening right now. I can see it in your practice. I can hear it in your voice. Comment, "Emma, I'm ready to order," with confidence if you're excited to use these phrases in real life. Comment, "I'm nervous, but I'll try," if you need extra encouragement. Either way, we're here to support you every step of the way. See you in the next episode, where we'll tackle another essential life situation with the same confidence-building approach. Your English transformation continues. Keep crushing it.